dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my wonderful channel. Reality Latest is your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I will drop our video. To all amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining us. Everybody, matter what carry on giving out today, be say the Edo State Governor-elect Senator Okpebholo don't come out come tell Governor Obaseki say make him prioritize a smooth transition instead of maligning him in the media. Hey, I put up a small battle. Senator Okpebholo's call comes in response to report from Governor Obaseki's camp suggesting that Governor-elect Senator Okpebholo is seeking a $45 million loan. Hey, $45 million loan, oh, my people, from the Chinese government. So in a statement that was released on Sunday by Senator Okpebholo's office, and it was signed by his media aide, Câst the governor-elect clarified his recent visit to Chinese ambassador to Nigeria. He stressed that the visit was purely diplomatic and not intended to secure any financial commitment. So if people want to talk anything, may they verify the information first before they start to talk. So according to the statement, they say Senator Okpebholo's attendance was at the ambassador's invitation, and he was not in any position to negotiate a loan before officially taking office. So they wish to draw the attention of the public to a misleading report claiming that Senator Okpebholo, who won the September 21st gubernatorial election, was seeking a loan of $45.21 million for 3 flyover projects in Benin City. So they wish to emphasize that Senator Okpebholo lacks constitutional authority to make financial decisions for the state until he assumed office. They expressed disappointment that Obaseki's camp would resort to petty blackmail. And before the statement also highlights Okpebholo's intent to focus on repaying debts accrued by the current administration, rejecting any reliance on memorandum of understanding as a governor approach. So the governor-elect, being a realistic person, according to his media aide, will not build his administration on memorandum of understanding or become another memorandum of understanding governor of Edo State. However, all this were in reference to a term used by critics of the outgoing administration to describe perceived empty promises. So now, Senator Okpebholo has urged the current administration to cooperate in a peaceful transition rather than spreading rumors and obstructing the process. He assured the people of Edo State that his tenure will be characterized by prudent resources management and transparency. The governor-elect said he will not take advice from those who have failed and wasted the future of Edo people. So he demanded that those behind this allegation should apologize to the people of Edo State for what Okpebholo termed years of financial and mental trauma. Why people be small? Senator Okpebholo's office reiterated his commitment to responsible governance, contrasting his approach with what he considered the failing of the outgoing governor. My people don't be small. Wàhàla. The Edo State Governor-elect Okpebholo didn't end there. He also denied ever signing any deal with the Chinese government to the tune of $45.21 million for flyover bridges. He assured the people of Edo State that he will not be another memorandum of understanding governor like Governor Obaseki. He gave his assurance weekend while reacting to allegation by the People Democratic Party that he had signed a $45.21 million deal with China. Now make a media aide, Godwin say they no go dey distracted by the outbursts of those who are still licking their wound after losing the September 25th governorship election in Edo State. Câst said he's very disappointed about what PDP is doing. Just few days to the inauguration of Senator Okpebholo, they are saying that Senator Okpebholo, Akpakamizo himself, signed a $45.21 million memorandum of understanding with a Chinese bank to build flyover in Benin City. That all these are lie. They are mischievous. And these have to have an end. So they wish to draw the attention of the general public to the mischievous publication, which is speculating that the winner of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State, Senator Okpebholo, was in talks with Chinese agency to obtain a loan of $45.21 billion to execute the construction of 3 flyovers in Benin City. Ordinarily, they would not have bothered to react to such distraction. But since their investigation have revealed that the report was actually orchestrated by those still licking their wound from the recent defeat, so they are constrained to put the record straight. The governor-elect, Senator Okpebholo, on invitation, was in the office of the Chinese ambassador to Nigeria in Abuja when the photograph they are now sharing on internet was taken. So the governor-elect was not on a mission to sign any memorandum of understanding with the China Exim Bank for loan, as dubiously claimed in the said publication that was made by the PDP. So understandably, as governor-elect Senator Okpebholo, they said he is not in any official capacity to obtain any loan on behalf of Edo State. Rather, he is working on how to offset the numerous loans obtained by the outgoing administration without any correlating developments. So the governor, being a realistic person, will not build his administration on memorandum of understanding, and neither will he become another memorandum of understanding governor of Edo State. So the agents of the outgoing administration and members of the defeated PDP that are spreading false rumors about the governor-elect should focus on the transition processes, which in any case, they are working tirelessly to truncate. As it stands now, they say the governor-elect Senator Okpebholo will not take advice from those who have failed and disappointed the future of Edo people over the past 7 years. Neither will he be a looter of public funds as governor of Edo State. Rather, he will judiciously manage the resources that belong to Edo people to develop Edo State, instead of resorting to promotion of lies and falsehood. The APC are saying that they expect the mischievous makers to be apologizing to the good people of Edo State while undergoing penance of the atrocity they have committed. So they expect them to confess their sins and seek for forgiveness from the people of Edo State, whom they have traumatized financially, mentally, and otherwise in the past 7 years. My people don't be small bass so at this point, I would like to know what I think about this matter in our comment section. I would like to hear from Mona once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate it. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come here next. Bye for now.